I can't do.
You're trying to send an email, browse the internet, or watch a video, and all of a sudden your computer slows way down or completely stops responding.
Why is my MacBook so slow?
Hi, I'm Iris. A slow laptop can really cramp your style, and there are a few reasons why it could be crawling. But no worries, I'm here to help with a few quick fixes. For this video, I'm using a MacBook Pro, and you can follow the same steps for a MacBook Air, but click the video above if you have a PC. Your laptop could be slowing down because the hard drive is full, or because you have too many programs running at once. When your laptop is short on memory, things can really grind to a halt. But don't stress, I'll show you the easy way to check and see how much memory you're using and what to do next, so you can get your laptop back up to speed. Okay, before you do anything else, try restarting your computer. This is a great way to do a quick reset, and it can solve more problems than you think. Next, check how much hard drive space you're using. If you have a ton of pictures, music, videos, and other large files, a full hard drive could be the reason your laptop is slow. Here's how to check your Mac storage. Click on the Apple logo at the top left of your screen. About this Mac, storage. This bar graph shows how much of your total storage is being used. Above that, you can find out how much space is still available on your hard drive. To see specifics, click Manage for a full breakdown of how much space each app or file is using. If your drive is nearly full, consider deleting files you no longer need. You can also back up your computer to the cloud or an external hard drive so you can free up some local storage space. Now check and see what programs you have running on your laptop. The more programs you have going at once, the more likely your computer's performance will lag. The activity monitor on your Mac can show you what programs are using the most memory. Open Spotlight Search and find the activity monitor. Under the CPU tab, you'll be able to see which apps and programs are using the most processing power. Close out the apps you're not using. Bringing up some processing power should help your computer run faster. And after all that, try restarting your computer one more time. Still no luck? It may be time to reach out for reinforcements. At Asurion, folks like me help keep your tech working the way you want it to. Learn more by visiting our website, asurion.com. And subscribe to our channel for more answers to your everyday tech questions.